So let's say I'm gonna be using a new email address, which is this one. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your email address on Wise. So Wise is a payment. Wise is a e-wallet or another website like PayPal, where you can transfer, where you can send money, you can also cash in, and then you can request invoices. So let me show you how you can change your email, just in case you're having a problem with your current email, or just for your safety reasons, where in the case that you've mistakenly used the wrong email. So what you need to do is head over here to your name, which is gonna open a drop down, and now you click over here to settings. Afterwards, we go over here to privacy and security, and then we'll find change email. As you can see, it is currently set to this email and it says that it's verified. Let's just click on that. And now we need to click on change email address. What will happen now is we can put our new email address and it will ask us to enter a password and then verify this new email as well. So let's say I'm going to be using a new email address, which is this one. Then let's head over to continue. Then let's write down the password that we used to log in into this account. I'm having a problem with typing. And then now let's just verify our email. Click got it. And let's head over to our Gmail or whatever email service that you use for your account. For me, I use Gmail. So I'm just going to head over to my account, which is this one. I'm going to log into it. So if we go back here to privacy and security, you can see that it still hasn't changed. But it will now once we confirm our new email address that we have set into. So let's click on that and let's click on confirm your email. Now it's going to verifying our email, and you can see that it should change this now. So let's head back to our Wise account. Let's reload this page and you can see that it has been logged out. Now let us log in our account using that new email that we have verified. Verifying your identity, and now we should be back on the home page. And let's head back to our settings to see if the changes had been made. Privacy and security again, and as you can see that our new email has been set for this account and that it has been verified. And that is it. That is how you can change your email address on Wise. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.